Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Ever spent weeks building something only to realize users totally hate it? Yeah, that's the nightmare. But what if you could test ideas early, get real feedback, and save yourself a ton of time and headaches? That's exactly where prototyping comes in. Today, let's talk about prototyping and how it can turn your ideas into something users actually love. So, why should you care about prototyping? Prototyping is all about bringing ideas to life fast. Instead of assuming we know what users want, we create a lightweight version of the solution to test, explore, and improve. It matters because it reduces costly mistakes, aligns stakeholders, and gives users a real voice in the design. In short, less guessing, more building the right thing. What makes prototyping effective? The reason prototyping works so well is simple. Seeing is believing. Stakeholders and users can interact with a tangible version of the idea. Problems and gaps get spotted faster, improvements become easier to prioritize, and decisions shift from opinions to real data. Think of it as a feedback loop that's visible, fast, and concrete. When should you use prototyping? You'll want to use prototyping when you're exploring solutions but need to validate assumptions quickly. It's ideal for new product concepts, process redesigns, UI/UX improvements, or anytime stakeholder alignment feels a bit unclear. Basically, use it whenever you need clarity before investing heavily. Here's how you actually put prototyping into practice, step by step. 1. Define the scope. What exactly are you testing? 2. Choose fidelity. Low fidelity for early concepts, high fidelity for detailed validation. 3. Build quickly. Paper sketches, digital wireframes, or interactive mockups. Just get something tangible. 4. Test with users. Observe how they interact and capture real feedback. 5. Iterate. Refine the prototype and repeat until it meets your goals. Think of it as a loop. Build, test, learn, repeat. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine we're redesigning an internal HR portal. Step 1. Define scope. We decide which parts of the portal to test first, submitting leave requests, checking approvals, or reviewing the dashboard. Step 2. Build a low-fidelity prototype. Instead of coding the full system, we create simple wireframes or clickable mockups. This lets us focus on layout and navigation without sinking time into visuals. Step 3. We bring in HR staff and employees to try out common tasks. We watch where they struggle, what they miss, and how they naturally move through the screens. Step 4. Gather feedback and analyze. We identify the pain points. Maybe users can't find the approvals tab or the navigation feels cluttered. Then we prioritize which issues matter most. Step 5. Iterate and refine the prototype. Based on the feedback, we adjust navigation, simplify forms, and improve the layout. Step 6. Retest and validate. We run another testing round to confirm tasks are now intuitive and users can complete them efficiently. We repeat the loop until the prototype meets expectations. Step 7. Finalize design for development. Once validated, we hand off the refined design to developers, including annotated prototypes, user feedback summaries, and key design decisions. By following these steps, we save weeks of coding and rework and ensure the solution actually works for the people who'll be using it. A few tips to make prototyping more effective. Start with low fidelity. Don't overcomplicate early prototypes. Involve real users early and often. Keep feedback structured. Focus on usability and value. Document your iterations so the learning never gets lost. Prototyping is a fast, visual, and user-focused way to validate ideas. Remember, the goal is learning, not perfection. Next, we'll dive into reviews, another key BA technique that helps ensure your solutions meet expectations. Keep prototyping, keep testing, and stay aligned. See you then.